In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the comments on your Instagram posts. So let's open Instagram. And the first case that we want to talk about is when you are about to post something. So let's post something. Click next. And then we could go to advanced settings to turn off commenting. And when you post this, comments will be disabled for that post that you publish. Next, let's disable comments on a post that we already published. So let's go to our profile and we're gonna select a post that already has a comment on it. So let's select this one. And what I'm gonna do is tap on the menu button, which is the three dots over here, and then just turn off commenting. As you could see, the comments that were on this post were hidden. New comments for this post are disabled. But if you turn on commenting again, the comments that were previously hidden will be back again. And the third way that I'm going to show you is by changing your account settings. So let's go to our profile. Let's tap the menu button here at the top. And then let's go to settings. Let's go to privacy. Let's tap comments and then let's tap allow comments from, and then you could pick which people you would want to allow to comment on your future posts. And that is how you turn off comments on your Instagram posts. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.